everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you doing? I'm doing good, thank you. So I put up a tutorial for this top a while back, and I had made it in a 3-weight for the tutorial, and I also showed it in a 4-weight, and also I had started this one in a 2-weight, so it wasn't quite complete at the release of the tutorial, but now it is. And this is bamboo cotton from Hobbii. So this is what the top looks like if you haven't seen that tutorial, and I'll link it below. But this is what it looks like. It's a mesh top. You start making it from the top, work your way down. As you make it, it grows wider and longer at the same time. And I show in the video where you can take the back and the front, both sides, and see if it's going to fit you. If not, if it's too tight the way when I show it, then just make more rows. If it's not tight enough, take a couple of rows out. So yeah, I really love it. I love how it turned out. So it's got these big squares, and then I made the trim here, and I put some little squares on the trim. So it's on the sleeves, and it's also on the bottom. All right, it's a little difficult. There we go. It's also on the bottom. So if you make it longer and you use cotton like I did, you can use it as a beach cover-up. Hey, couple of my beautiful yarning sisters mentioned that to me. I'm like, yes, of course. Why didn't I think of that? But anyway, I put it in the title of that tutorial. So thank you, ladies. And yeah, so what yarn did I use? I used this beautiful, and this is from Hobbii, Hobbii, It's the rainbow bamboo, 60% bamboo and 40% cotton. It is a fine 2-weight, and sorry, I've been just running around this morning trying to get things done. A little out of breath. And it's 100 grams in here, 274 yards. Recommended hook is a 3mm. I actually used a 4 because I wanted it to be even more open. This colorway is numbered. They have numbers on these. Okay, did I write it on here? Yeah. Number 25, dark cerise. So yeah, it's like the color cerise is like a reddish pink according to Google, but this looks more, to me it looks more pinkish, but it almost looks reddish pink in my camera. So anyway, so I used not quite 2 of these. This is what I had left from the second one. And this size is about a medium to large maybe, but like I said, it's size adjustable. I'll have the video tutorial linked below if you'd like to make it. So I just looked on the Hobbii site. They had this yarn on sale. I think I might have paid $5.99 US. I'm in Canada, but they show it in US. But they had it on sale for $4.10 over the weekend. Well, I just checked. It's still on sale, and this is Monday. It's still on sale for $4.10 US, but only for a couple more hours, they say. They're over in Denmark, so maybe that's why. So I'm trying to get this video up really fast, guys. So maybe you can get the deal, but I did post it in my community post. That's where I post sales that I come across. So make sure you check that community post like every now and then. So let's just talk a little bit about bamboo, what bamboo is like. Like this is mostly bamboo, 60%, and then 40% cotton. Bamboo has holes in its fibers. So bamboo is softer than cotton, regulates heat, it's hypoallergenic, it's sweat resistant, it's eco-friendly, it has a wonderful drape. It is durable, but they say cotton is more durable. Maybe that's why the bamboo is mixed with the cotton. Maybe. So that's the information I found out online. And yeah, bamboo offers excellent ventilation, and I mean, when you got holes like this, it's super ventilated. So yeah. All right, so that is it for now. I will see you all again soon. Thank you. Bye.